going to sound really, really, really weird, okay? For those that know me, I am, in my previous history, been an SEO expert, focusing very much on helping customers create better websites and increasing their Google rankings. But I'm going to say right now, this is going to kill me. Stop using SEO experts, okay? Use AI instead, because there is something that's coming out that is going to kill the industry. So I might as well be at the forefront of it and promote it and show about it, because the day-to-day work of an SEO manager is actually going to be wiped out. So we need to focus, okay? We need to make sure that we are using the right tools to be able to do the job. And I've done some research, and there is some good tools out there. Google is just a librarian, okay? I say this in all my books and all my podcasts and absolutely everything. Google is just a librarian. When you go to a librarian and ask it for a book on, cups, they're going to go away and they're going to find a book that's most amounts of information about a cup, easiest to find the information about a cup, and most people say it's a good book about a cup. Now, you need different tools to be able to do each content. I've gone a lot into content in my other videos. Today's not about content, today's about tech SEO. But let's talk about the other two first. So you've got authority, which is backlinks. You still need to be very careful with backlinks, because with backlinks, it can be quite spammy. So if you use AI bots, they could be quite spammy. So make sure that, for now, there's going to be something that's coming out, but for now, do your outreach manually, okay? Or use an SEO agency for that. Second is content. Now, we know how to write content. People have been dumping SEO agencies now already and using ChatGPT. I'm a big fan of ChatGPT, but not for content. Look at my other videos. There is SEO writing tools out there that are better, that makes more sense. But today I'm going to talk about automations and how you use AI to do better in your tech SEO. Now, this is something that most people don't understand. Okay, so I see a lot of, and I hate to say, but a lot of web designers don't understand structured data, schema, tech SEO, and things like that. Obviously, there's some good ones out there, but most web developers don't, so they don't install this onto your website when you go live. So you need an SEO expert to be able to do this for you, but not so much anymore. So what is tech SEO? Okay, you've got a page. Okay, so you got your header, and you've got your footer, and then you've got your content in here. Google loves something called one page, one service. Okay, so I'm going to call this page as yellow cups. Okay, so I want to sell yellow cups on that page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to optimize this page specifically for yellow cups. I can't talk about all the cups that have ever been created, and in there somewhere there's got to be something about yellow cups. If someone searches, I want a yellow cup, guess what? Google wants to find a page dedicated to yellow cups. So how do we do that? The first, obviously, is the content. Okay, but this isn't about the content. This is about structured data and technical SEO. Now, if you've used an SEO agency before and you're trying to get a proposal off them, you send them a website, and what they will do is they'll run off an SEO technical audit and send that to you with lots of technical jargon. You're like, what the hell does that mean? Missing H1s, missing meta descriptions, duplicate page titles, structured schema, slow web page, HTML versus HTML. There's so much that you're looking at that going, what does that mean? Now you don't even need to know. So what happens now using some AI is you do the same thing. You set up the page and you say to this AI system, I want to rank for yellow cups. And the AI system will go, if you want to do that, these are all the things that you need to do. And those things include putting a keyword here, making sure you've got this structured data here, putting this bit of code in this place, putting this bit of code in this place. It'll tell you what code, usually, in the old days, about 10 months ago, it would tell you what code that you need to, so you need to copy that code and put it on your website in a certain place. Not anymore. Now, you press a big button at the bottom that says fix. And guess what? The AI software does it all for you. Completely eliminates the thousands of hours, depending on your site. I've worked on some sites. There was one site that I worked on that was 6.5 months, every single day, 6 days a week, from 7 in the morning till 6 at night, just doing this. They paid me a bit, but that's not the point. Now, I could have done that in 3 days instead of 6.5 months. It's incredible. So have a look at your site, have a look at the processes, have a look at everything you're doing. What can you SEO optimize? How can you create a better understanding with AI? If you need any help, give me a shout. I'm here to help you.